Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ricky. Today I'm so excited to focus on this topic, laser technology at the FIFA World Cup. Let's get started. As we know, every 4 years, something incredible happens. For 1 month, billions of people around the world stop what they are doing and focus on one thing, the FIFA World Cup. We celebrate amazing goals. We watch the world's greatest player compete, and we experience unforgettable moments that become part of football history. But behind all the excitement, there is another player working quietly in the background, a technology that most fans never notice. Laser technology. Yes, the same technology used in factories for laser welding, precision manufacturing, and industrial automation is also helping make the World Cup safer, fair, and more fantastic. So, what exactly do lasers have to do with football? The answer may surprise you. Let's find out. When we think about football technology, the first thing that comes to mind is probably wire or goal line technology. Imagine this situation: the ball hits the goal post. It bounced back. The player celebrates. But did the entire ball actually cross the goal line? A few centimeters can decide the result of the entire match. To solve this problem, modern football uses a combination of high-speed cameras, sensors, and precision measurement system. Laser-based measurement technology helps engineers calibrate the stadium element and ensure that the equipment is installed with the extreme accuracy. The goal is simple: make every decision as fair and accurate as possible. Because in football, sometimes a few millimeters can change history. But lasers are not only used during the match. In fact, their role begins long before the first whistle. A modern World Cup stadium is a massive engineering project. Thousands of steel components must be manufactured and assembled with extreme precision. This is where industrial laser technology comes in. Laser cutting machine can create complex metal parts with incredible accuracy. Laser welding can join metals with high strength and consistency, from the rough structure above the fence to the steel frame supporting the stadium. Laser manufacturing technology helps to turn architectural design into reality. Without advanced manufacturing technology, many modern stadiums would be much harder and more expensive to build. So, of course, lasers are not only hidden inside factories and engine systems. Sometimes they become the center of attention. During major sporting events, laser systems create spectacular opening ceremonies and entertainment shows. Powerful RGB laser projectors can produce thousands of billions of light. When combined with the musical, drawings, and digital effects, laser can transform an ordinary stadium into an incredible visual experience. For millions of the viewers watching around the world, these moments become unforgettable memories. A stadium is not just a place for entertainment, it must also be extremely safer. Before and during major events, engineers need to check whether the structures are working properly. This is where 3D laser scanning becomes valuable. A laser scanner can capture minutes of the measurement points and create a detailed digital model of a structure. Engineers can use this information to detect a small change, deformation, or potential problem before they become serious. For a stadium in a field with tens of thousands of people, safety always comes first. Another important application of the laser technology is security. Large sporting events require advanced systems to protect the players, staff, and spectators. Laser sensors can help them monitor specific area and detect unusual movement. Combined with the camera, artificial intelligence, and other security technologies, these systems create multiple layers of protection. Most spectators will never notice this technology, but behind the scenes, they are consistently working to keep the events safe. Deliver this incredible image. Broadcasters rely on advanced technology. During camera installation, engineers use the laser measurement tools to position equipment. Accurate alignment helps the camera capture stable and high quality footage. So when you watch a perfect close-up of a goal or slow motion repair, remember that mere hidden technology are working behind that single image. When people think about the FIFA World Cup, they usually think about the players, the goals, and the unforgettable moments. But behind every match, there is a huge network of technology working every possible from behind the modern studios to help the referees make accurate decisions to creating spectacular visual experience. Laser technology has quietly become an important part of modern sports, and this is just one example of how lasers are changing our world. Well, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channels. And I want to hear from you. What are the laser technology you wanted to listen? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. I'm Ricky. See you next time. Bye.